What's that noise?
Sorry, nervous eater. Wait! Fish!
The school bell! We've got to ring the school bell to warn everyone! Come on! It's locked!
They're coming! I need a soda. Come on, buddy, come on, buddy, come on, buddy. Corner's all wrinkled.
Why are we doing this?
Come on, take it. Yes! What happened? I blacked out there for a second.
It was just an acorn, a little acorn. I can't tell you how embarrassed I am, folks.
Ring the bell! Come on, Chicken Little, ring the bell!
Huh? What? Oh!
Now let's check the weather with Riz.
A cold front is moving in, so the alarm bell has been activated. Quick, get a camera crew!